Seth, welcome. Just tell me, why is software a good investment? And are there any particular subsections that you're prioritizing at the moment?
The software industry has really enabled a tremendous amount of digital transformation that's taking place in almost every company, in every industry, in every geography around the world. And it's an area that drives efficiency. And in the world today, people are really trying to figure out how they can create efficiencies in their organization and drive growth, but with less. We're obviously sitting in a relatively tricky macroeconomic period. Software is allowing for a lot of optimization and profitability as companies move into a digital age. Within software, we invest really across the whole landscape. We're mainly focused on business to business. We don't spend as much time in the consumer-specific software companies. And, you know, we have found tremendous opportunities really everywhere. Cyber is, for me, an area where I spend a lot of my time. And that's an area that helps support this digital transformation that I talked about, where there is still a lot of innovation and growth. And at a time when IT budgets are holding relatively flat, we continue to see growth within cyber, which is a very complex area with a tremendous amount of innovation and pace of change, which is really important for new company formation and investment.
When you're looking at prospective investments, how do you balance the drive for profitability and growth?
We, what we talk a lot about is we are buying the most innovative companies in their specific sectors within the software universe. And then we work with those great innovators, oftentimes they can be founders, to transform their businesses into also the best operators. So we really believe that you can do both. Growth does not need to come at the expense of profitability, but it's really about having incredible leadership and operational focus as you do that. And the whole organization needs to be committed to it. Within some of our largest companies in our portfolio that have been around for, in some cases, 10, 20, we have a company that's been in existence for 30 years. There's pockets of tremendous innovation within those businesses, driving really incredible product development to serve the needs of what companies are facing in an increasingly digital world. But just fundamentally, we believe you can do both, and our results have proven that over time.
You take a partnership-driven approach when it comes to portfolio companies. Why? Why is that so important?
We, with everybody in our ecosystem, whether it's our management teams in our portfolio, the customers of those companies, our investors, we really believe in partnership. And, we would much rather work with an existing management team, a founding management team, someone, a team that is passionate about what they do. They know their business, they know their customers, and then bring to bear what we do really well, just on the operational side, but having a purview across so many different companies over 20 years now, operating and investing in the software industry. That partnership's really important to us. We think it creates results faster. We think it creates followership within the company much quicker if the existing team is there, executing potentially on some changes, but doing so in a way that is very organic as well. So it's always worked for us. We always have a partnership first, management first approach. And it's core to what we do, and it's really helped drive a lot of our results over time.
Seth, thank you so much.
Thank you.